Hi, if you're watching this video, you are one of those who might have attended Data Platform Summit in the year 2015, 2016 or 2017. If you recollect those years, it was called as SQL Server Geeks Annual Summit. And of course, we renamed the conference in 2017 as Data Platform Summit. My name is Amit Bansal and I am the founder for this conference. And I just wanted to share a few thoughts and experiences around organizing a large-scale community conference. If you know about my background, I focus a lot on community work, be it as an MVP or as a Microsoft regional director, or just by plain simple community stuff. I focus a lot on every individual in our data analytics and AI community. I always had this in my mind to organize a large-scale community conference, apart from a lot of in-person training and webinars that we do. But when you want to start off something big, there are a lot of challenges. Most importantly is the cost factor. How do you ensure that the cost of your conference is as low as possible so that every community member can join your conference? They should not think about, think twice before buying a ticket for the conference. With that thought, when we started off in 2015, we of course had a lot of financial challenges, but we were determined that we wanted to make this happen. So we had to make certain compromises, as is always the case with any good initiative. We signed up with Nimhans Convention Center for 3 years and we hosted our conference there. In comparison to a 5-star hotel or a 5-star property, the costs are definitely much lesser. We compromised a bit on audio and visuals. Of course, there is a cost difference when you want to hire a high definition projector, which will give you 1920 into 1080 resolution versus probably a super VGA projector. Likewise, another global mechanism to keep the conference cost low is by the way of inviting sponsors to the conference. But when you have sponsors, they would definitely ask for some marketing time. They would set up booths and they would ask for sponsored sessions as well. That's another way to bring down the cost of the conference, and that's a proven formula. But in all this, what happens is sometimes the experience factor of the delegate might get affected. While in these 3 years, we got incredible feedback and our audiences were very happy, somewhere there were, because of these compromises, the audience felt a little dissatisfied also. But that was very minimal, but yet there is. And being a Virgo myself, I always focus on perfection, and I wanted to ensure that our delegates get the best of experience. They should not come to a conference to hear someone's marketing talk. They should not come to a conference which has, let's say, not up to the standard infrastructure. And these 3 years, we grew a lot. We learned a lot from our experiences, and we saw a natural organic growth of our conference. And thanks to the community, we got great support. And in year 2018, which was the last year of Data Platform Summit 2018, we moved the conference from Nimhans Convention Center to Radisson Blu, a 5-star property. And we transformed the conference completely. It was like a brand new avatar of our community event. And these are some wonderful changes that we did. We invested quite a bit in the audiovisuals to begin with, putting up a large 20 by 12 feet LED in the main keynote hall. We invested in high definition projectors all across the pre-conference as well as the summit. We, of course, Radisson Blu, so the food and beverage was awesome. The audience gave us lovely feedback around that. And the best of all, we made Data Platform Summit sponsor free, which means there were no sponsors. Every nook and corner of Radisson Blu you went to, you only had something to learn, knowledge sharing, experts talk, open talks, chalk talks, breakout sessions, so on and so forth. That was really what me and my team really wanted to do right from very beginning. But then every product, every service, every big initiative has its own growth, has its own ups and downs. We started off small, and we always had this thing in mind, hey, keep the cost low so that every community member can join us. So in the first 3 years, we tried to strike a good balance between cost versus quality, but from 2018 onwards we had to increase the cost a bit up, but we still try to manage some wonderful infrastructure and wonderful deliverables of Data Platform Summit. And riding back on the success of Data Platform Summit 2018, we have DPS 2019 round the corner now, and we are doing this same amazing things that we did last year. Plus this year we have added more learning options. This year we have hands-on labs, we have exclusive roundtables, we have executive roundtables by Microsoft leadership, and we have technical roundtables by product teams and our international subject matter experts. So loads and loads of learning options, breakout sessions, open talks, chalk talks, community zone and ask the experts, roundtables, and all that again in Radisson Blu with lovely food and great audio and visuals so that our delegates get the best of experience. So if you are one of those who had been to our first 3 years of the conference and you did not join us last year, you should take a relook at what we did in Data Platform Summit 2018, and you should consider joining us for DPS 2019. And after watching this video, why not talk to one of our team members, and maybe because you are our alumni, there might be a special offer for you. So before I end this video and before you talk to our team members, watch what we did in Data Platform Summit 2018 last year and how we are going to build on the success of DPS 2018 this year. So another 3 minutes. Thank you for watching this video and hope to meet you soon in DPS 2019.
I'm Suman Sundar. I lead the Microsoft Data and AI practice for Accenture. This particular event where I bring in a lot of people together with me and they learn a lot about it. I think that's more of what I look forward to see as well. Yeah.
Really opened my eyes on what BI developers in Bangalore and analysts are leveraging Power BI in their organizations. I definitely encourage you to come here next year.
We don't just talk about relational database, we talk about everything related to data and of course cloud platform too.
And today there was a very cool AI for fashion sort of session she conducted. I think there's a lot to be learned on the AI space, and connecting with such strong speakers and getting that knowledge shared is a great experience to me.
It's a good connect for us to come and see what is happening, understand what's going on, and also connect with various professionals across the industry so that we can reach out and help out each other.
I just relate to the technology, so the way technology scales up and scales out, I think this conference is also scaling out and scaling up. Every year we come around 13 to 14 people, right? And I think this is an annual event for us.
The team that I brought in about 30 folks from Accenture. They've been sharing great experiences so far, be it the keynotes, be it the ambience, the kind of food, the kind of networking they're able to make with the speakers.
I really appreciated presenting on your main stage, which was an impressive. I'm not sure what the dimensions were, but guys, you had to see the a real-time dashboard projected. It was awesome to be able to walk around in front of that and have real-time dashboards happening, so thanks for giving me that stage.
It's fantastic conference. I never thought it's going to be that big conference. It's really awesome conference and good crowd.
It has been a fantastic experience. This is my first time over here and I'm regretting why I did not attend the previous events.
You can't get these many experts at one place. No books or no other videos can get you this much knowledge.
The energy that I've seen, the passion that you guys have, this is the thing that's sort of really attractive, because that's the thing that I see back in Redmond as well with the team. I do want to come back.
We don't celebrate technology for technology's sake. We celebrate what others are empowered to do with that technology. And that's what I hope you are inspired to do after this event to dream, create, and build the solutions that will transform your organizations, your communities, and make a difference in the world. Thank you all very, very much.